Hello viewers, welcome back YouTube channel. So how is you all? I hope you are all fine and good. God bless you. Always be happy in your life. Always be keep smile. So lovely viewer, you will see in this video. Lovely viewers, lovely friends and lovely subscriber, you will see in all top trending and stylish unique pebble stones ideas, landscaping ideas, garden decoration trends in 2025. Subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon, you will get notifications of all of my videos. You will see in these videos marvelous and stylish unique home decorations ideas, landscaping ideas, rock stone trends, beautiful and creative unique home decor designs. If you like my videos, so viewers downloaded my videos and you like this one, attractive and trending beautiful home decor designs ideas. So guys, I might suggest it, just keep on watching these videos till the end. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring very attractive and trending home decor ideas, pathway decor designs, different landscaping ideas. So many more beautiful ideas will explore in this videos till the end. Do you have new ideas of unique home decorations ideas? So viewers, please tell me in the comment section. In the comment section to tell me how was my videos. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. Do you have new ideas of unique home decorations ideas, pebble stones ideas, landscaping trends? So thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel, watching all attractive and trending rock stones ideas. So these are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in this videos till the end. Watch my full videos and enjoy new stylish, beautiful, unique home decor designs, pathway decorations ideas. So thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel. Subscribe my channel and watch my videos. So thank you so much guys. Many more beautiful ideas will explore in this video. So take care.